Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can validate an IPv4 address using Java with a regex. So let's get right into it. Firstly, we are going to do public static boolean is valid IPv4 regex and string address. It's going to be returning a boolean, it's called is valid IPv4 address, and string address is going to be the IP we want to validate. Inside you can do these two lines of code. We do string IP pattern equals this beautiful array of characters, and then after that we can do return addresses not equal null and address dot matches IP pattern. So what's going on here? Well, we're going to be doing a regex match, but before we do that, I want to make sure we haven't got null. If we've got null, no point trying to do the match because there's nothing to validate, so we return a false. Then we do addresses dot matches IP pattern. We're checking if our address matches the pattern here, and this pattern is basically going to follow the same rules as the other IPv4 address validation video I have, which is clickable in the eye in the corner, where basically we have 3 dots and we have 4 numbers between 0 and 255. And it has to go number dot number dot number dot number. Also, we don't allow for 0 padding before any of the numbers. So that's the rule that I'm using for this validation here. And that's basically it. So in our main method we do string IP equals some funny numbers, and then we do system.out.println is valid IPv4 regex, and we pass in IP. And with this function, obviously both of these statements have to be true for it to be true. If one of these are false, then the whole thing becomes false. So let's save our work and hit play. As you can see, it says true because it matches the rules of the regex. All these numbers are between 0 and 255. There are 3 dots, they're separated properly, no 0 padding. Let's put some zeros in here and see what happens. Oh no, it's false because there are some zeros. Now let's just put these numbers. Oh no, it's false. Let's do 1.256.0.1. Well, that's false because there's 256 in there. Let's try this random IP address I found online. And it says true. Let's try this other one. And it's true. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want more Java tutorials. And thanks for being a great audience. I will see you next time.